How to change email address on TurboTax. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change email address on your TurboTax account. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Now in the search bar of the browser, type in turbotax.com, or you may also type in turbotax.into.com. Once I've entered this URL, press on the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of TurboTax. You ensure that you are logged into your account. If not, use your credentials and then click on the sign in button right here in order to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now in this page at the left button below, here you will be able to see Intuit account option. Simply click on it and then wait for a few seconds. You will be redirected to this page. Here you will need to click on this sign in and security option. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with your login info. Here you will need to locate email address and then simply click on it. Once after doing that, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to select the previous email and then press on backspace key of your keyboard to remove it. And once it has been removed, now enter your new email address that you'd like to add. After entering the new email address, you will need to enter the same email address in the second text box in order to confirm. And after entering the email address, click on the save button right here. After changing the email address, now you will need to verify the email. Simply click on this verify email right here and then click on this send verification email in this pop-up. Now you will need to go and check for the email. Here you will need to find the verification email and then simply click on it. Now inside it, here you will be able to locate verify my email box. Simply click on it and wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be redirected to your Intuit or TurboTax page. Here you will be able to see you have successfully verified your email address. Simply click on this continue button in order to return back. After that, you will see you have successfully changed your email on your TurboTax account. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your email address on TurboTax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.